You've probably heard of both, but how do they stack up against each other in the real world? I've tested both, and I'm going to break down everything you need to know to help you decide which one is actually worth your time. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email platforms out there, and it's no surprise. It's designed to be super user-friendly, with drag-and-drop email builders and easy-to-navigate dashboards. However, as your business grows, the simplicity might start to feel a bit limiting. The platform tends to get a bit clunky with more advanced features, especially in their free plan, where you're restricted in a lot of ways. Now, GetResponse offers a much smoother experience when it comes to scaling. It feels a little more robust, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one platform. Their workflow builder and automation tools are more intuitive and flexible. But here's the catch, it can be overwhelming if you're just getting started. It offers a lot more features right out of the gate, so you'll need to spend more time learning the ropes. Next, we need to look at the email automation features. If you're focused purely on email automation, both of these platforms have strong offerings, but they're geared towards slightly different users. Mailchimp offers basic automation features like welcome emails and abandoned cart reminders. These features are solid, but if you're aiming for advanced targeting, segmentation, or even drip campaigns, you'll quickly hit some roadblocks without upgrading to their higher tier plans. GetResponse, on the other hand, excels in automation. The advanced workflows and segmentation here are much better than Mailchimp's. It allows you to create custom workflows based on user behavior, segment your list more effectively, and track engagement in more detail. That said, if you're just running simple email campaigns, all this advanced functionality might be more than you need. The next thing to consider is pricing. Mailchimp starts off with a free tier, but as you grow, you'll notice the costs start to increase and fast. Once you add more subscribers, or if you need more automation, you'll have to bump up to a paid plan, which can get pricey for larger lists. And keep in mind, Mailchimp doesn't have a lot of flexibility with its pricing, so you might feel a bit locked in. On the other hand, GetResponse is generally more affordable, especially as you scale. Its pricing is more transparent and offers better value for the features included in each plan. You're getting more tools for less, and if you're a small business looking to scale, it's definitely the more cost-effective choice. Now, let's talk customer support. Both Mailchimp and GetResponse offer email support, live chat, and knowledge bases, but GetResponse gets a slight edge here. Their customer support is generally faster, and their live chat is more responsive. Mailchimp support can be a bit sluggish, especially for users on their lower tier plans, which is something to consider if you ever need help fast. The fourth thing is integrations. Both platforms are strong here, with Mailchimp offering a wide range of integrations with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and social media. GetResponse offers many of the same, but what really sets them apart is their ability to integrate seamlessly with more niche tools and offer deep integrations for things like webinars, e-commerce, and CRM systems. This makes GetResponse a better choice for more complex businesses. Lastly, while both platforms are solid choices for email automation, here's the truth. Mailchimp's simplicity might appeal to beginners, but its limitations start showing the longer you use it. GetResponse offers more advanced features and better pricing, but it can be a bit too much for smaller businesses. After trying both of these for myself, I can confidently say that neither Mailchimp nor GetResponse is the perfect solution for everyone. But if you want a better alternative for the goal of seamless email automation with more powerful features at a better price point, then I recommend trying the software linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So check it out, and thanks for watching.